Hey guys, it's Dami and I'm going to be doing a subscription box review on my October 2017 Ivory Clasp subscription box. Now for those of you guys that do not know what Ivory Clasp is, it is a handbag subscription service. So if you're a purse addict like me, this is definitely the box for you. Now originally when I first signed up, they had two subscriptions. You could get a bag every month or every other month. So it was monthly or bi-monthly. They recently changed it not too long ago, so now you only have the option of doing monthly or quarterly, which would be every 3 months. So my bi-monthly subscription got changed to every 3 months, which is why you did not see a review last month, okay? So anyway, I'm going to dive in because I'm really, really excited to see what bag I got. And then we'll talk about the service. So this is the box, okay? I'm super excited. Super excited. All right. The first thing we have here is a little card. And sometimes what they'll do, or most of the time, you'll get like samples of stuff or coupons and everything. So I have Naya 24. I get 15% off my first purchase. I'm going to hide that. So I've never actually heard of this brand. Okay. So they're kind of like anti-aging skincare for environmental and age damage. And this is pretty cool. So they also have like pictures and stuff to show you. So, okay. They have different creams, mass sculpting complex, intensive recovery cream, eye repair, stuff like that. So, and I get 15% off. All right. Next, I have the card from Ivory Clasp. Okay, and as you can see, it says the bag they styled for me because I do have to take, and all of you guys have to take an extensive quiz. And when I say extensive, I'm so serious, but we'll talk about that later. Okay, so I get the little card, and now the fun stuff. This bag feels really big. Okay, so all bags are put in this plastic, all protected. So this is with 212. This is a New York City company. And as you guys can see, the price of this bag is $138. Okay. So far, this is looking really awesome. So just so you guys know, I'm a very simple classic person. I don't like bags with a gazillion colors or spikes or weird stuff. I love bags that can literally just go with just about every style that can be dressed up or down. Let's take these off the handles. One thing about opening this is like there's always tons of plastic because they really do protect everything. Okay, this is so cute. This is really cute. See, guys, this is my bag. Okay, and on the bottom, you guys can see these right here, which is perfect. You don't want to put your bag down and get it dirty. Okay, there's paper here too. All right. All right, so let's open this and get all the stuffing out. There's tons and tons of stuffing. Literally. Come on. All right, I think I'm done. All right, so here is the bag without all the stuffing. Okay, another plastic piece. So this is really cute with 212 New York, just their website, slouchy satchel. And then inside it also comes with, oh, jeez, got everything in here. So you have your strap here. which I probably never use because I'm just going to keep this in the plastic because I don't see myself really using this. I just carry it like this. And as you guys can see, you can actually expand this. So there's a button here. So if I unbutton this, I think, okay, there we go. Oh, okay. I see what's going on, just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. So then it'll be, just so you guys can see each side, more like a mini tote, kind of like. Okay. And the inside is a gray, like a heathered gray color. Made very well. Little silica packs. Actually, it's made very well. It's very well. It's very spacious in here too. Okay. And then the back, there's another zipper part so you can put your keys or whatever in here. And it does go all the way to the bottom as well. It's pretty deep. So this is really cute. Very simple, classic. Like I said, you can dress it up, dress it down. I love bags like that. So of course, for those of you guys that are not familiar with Ivory Clasp or has not watched my videos, are probably wondering, how much did I pay for a bag that costs $138? Well, $45. So, like I said, they have a monthly and quarterly subscription. You can pay $45 every month or $45 for every 3 months. Now, if I'm not mistaken, and I just want to say this, I think I was told that they went up in price a little bit to like $49. It is free shipping. And so just make sure you check, because I don't want to tell you it's one price, even though it's just a few bucks more. I don't want to tell you it's one price and it's really another price. But anyway, so I'm still on the $45 plan because I signed up a while ago. So if they did increase the price, they did increase it for previous customers, okay? So yeah, $45, regardless if you get the monthly or the quarterly plan. Now, the extensive survey, profile survey that you have to take, I would say that you want to make sure that you have time. I mean, you want to make sure that you actually set aside enough time, because it is very long. It's out of every subscription service that I subscribe to or have subscribed to, this is probably the longest survey I've ever taken. Like, you are going to look at handbags, satchels, hobos, totes, I mean literally everything, colors, patterns, material, like they go through everything. But I really enjoyed it because they definitely have always matched me to bags. Like, I've never received a bag that I didn't like. I do know a few people that did receive bags, they didn't like them. They do free returns, so if you don't like a bag, contact the company and just say, hey, I don't like this bag. You'll return it, they'll ship you a new one, okay? So far, I haven't heard anybody that had any issues with their customer service, so... and like I said, I haven't had to use their customer service. But yeah, I absolutely love their bags. Absolutely. Now, this is not the only company that they partner with. They do partner with other companies. The last bag I received, I think it was like AVI or something like that. Again, a really cute bag that I still use till this day. So anyway... yeah, I mean, I really love this bag, and it's made really well. The stitching is beautiful on it. Very beautiful. Love the stitching. Whenever I get bags, I look at everything from not just the way it looks, but I mean the stitching, the material, the inside, how heavy the straps are. These straps aren't super heavy, but they're definitely durable. I don't see them wearing and tearing easy. But yeah, I mean, this is definitely very well made. Very well made. So this is my Lift 212 bag. I'm really excited. I can't wait to use this. I'll probably use it tomorrow. So anyway, that's my bag. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, I get excited every time I get a bag, but that's just because I love purses. Like, I'm addicted. My closet, I literally had to reorganize my closet because I have like one wall just full of purses, which is probably a little bit too much. But yeah, so like I said, you can choose the monthly or the 3-month subscription. But that's my bag. So like I said, tell me what you guys think. And if you subscribe to Ivory Class and you got a different bag, you know, let me know what bag you got. I'd love to see it. I know a friend of mine, sometimes we've gotten the same bag, and then there's times she gets different bags as well. But yeah, so that's my Ivory Class subscription box. If you guys are interested in signing up, there'll be a link at the bottom of this video. And in the meantime, stay tuned for more reviews. Bye.